Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is HP Deskjet 2710. It is an affordable all-in-one inkjet printer designed for home use, featuring wireless printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. It supports mobile printing via HP app and has print speed of 7.5 prints per minute for black and 5.5 prints per minute for color. This printer uses original HP ink 305 or 305 extra large. This is essential home printing gear. Key specifications and features. Basically, you can print, scan, and copy. In terms of connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi with self-reset, Bluetooth 4.2 and USB. Print speed, like I mentioned earlier, 7.5 for black and 5.5 for color. Mobile printing via HP app, Apple AirPrint. Paper input capability, 60 sheet input tray. You can also use compatible ink 305 for the ink cartridges. So this is all-in-one printer that fits on desk, designed for easy daily document printing and scanning. Supports wireless setup via Bluetooth and also comes with 2 months of HP ink in some region, but this is not compulsory. The printer is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. So this is the power cable, ink cartridges, black and triple color, and also this is information leaflet. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. The pin number for this printer is on the ink access door. The ink cartridge holder is by the corner. Once you plug the printer on, it will move from the corner and position itself on the center. And when you open the ink access door, for you to change or replace the ink. If you print out your document, it will rest on top here. This printer uses real paper tray. So you can load various sizes of paper, A4, 4x6, etc., and adjust it accordingly. The power cable goes to this port. The USB cable goes to this port. You switch the printer on and off from this button. This is LCD screen. This button is for you to cancel. This button is resume. Wi-Fi button, information button, copy color button, and copy black button. So you want to copy black documents or black text, picture, document, etc. in black, and this is for you to copy in color. This is the glass scanner. So take the power cable, connect it to this port, push it in, and plug it onto the socket. So switch the printer on from this button. I can see that the Wi-Fi light is flashing intermittently. Once you connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network, the light will be steady, highlighting steady blue color. And this is the LCD screen. Once you install the ink, the 2 lines will fill up. So this is the unboxing of this printer. Now we're going to install the ink cartridges. So open the cover. Once you open the cover, then you wait for the ink to move and position itself. So the ink holder is now on the center. So the next thing we need to do is take ink. This is triple color. Remove the plastic. The colored one goes to the left. Then you go in, pull it up. And the black one goes to the right. So pull off this. Then you go in. So this is how to install it. If you want to remove the ink, pull it down to remove the ink. So once you go in, pull it up, go in, then pull it up, then close the ink access door, then you wait and give the printer time. And if you look, the light that was flashing here is off. So you see the two lines for the ink cartridges are now full up. So this is how to load the ink or how to replace the ink cartridges. Now I want to show you how to load the paper. So if you want to load the paper, you take the paper you want to use, go at the back, open this, then adjust the clip all the way to the left. Then take A4 paper, go in. So this is how to load A4. If you want to load photo paper, then take the photo paper you want to load. This is 4x6. Make sure the smooth part face up. The glossy part need to face up. Then adjust it. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. So the smooth part need to face up. And I'm going to load back the A4 paper. So this is the unboxing and overview installation of the ink cartridges and also load the paper. Thank you very much indeed.